So you got a data like this which is perfectly sorted, but you want this data to be shuffled so that it looks more natural. How is it possible? We got a macro for that. Go to Extensions, Clippy, and then click on Open. Go to Macros and then select Shuffle. Now select the range that you want to shuffle and then click on Run. The data got shuffled. If you want the shuffled data to be populated in a different range, then you can use a function of the same name. And then give the range that you want to shuffle. The data gets shuffled and populated in a different range. You can even shuffle a row or a column. Very handy, right? For Shuffle and for many other such functions and macros, go to Google Addon Store and install the add-on Clippy.